and this is a threshold value. Okay, means this is a false positive rate and this is a true positive rate. And it check on different threshold that what the values rate of the how the rate of the false positive rate and true positive rate changes based on the sample size. And for all the different values that is available in the dependent column, you can make a different ROC curve also. For example, here the target values are there. Okay, so these are the different values that is available with the marital status. Understand everyone? Any problem in this? Okay. So can I give you a one data set to apply this SVM algorithm? The same steps are you can use. Okay. But please, I give you also a target that how much accuracy I want. And according to that, you have to do the error and trial to perform the sampling various time to achieve that accuracy. Okay. So I give you one data set first. This sales data. I think I already shared you yesterday also. Okay. Now I give you I want that you apply SVM classification. Okay. And I want accuracy of 98%. Understand what is my objective? The data is given, the algorithm is given, the outcome is given. And anyhow, you have to do the error and trial to achieve this accuracy. Please try to do by yourself. And if you find any problem, you can ask. Please try to do by self. To get that 670 instances, there is also missing value. So you require a pre-processing also. Okay. Now you can see that there is a no missing value. Okay. Now you have to use the data sample. Here I take a 70% data and here I take a 30% data. Okay. Now, what is the next step? This is a classification. So we have to select column. So you can use any uh, data that is a nominal as a dependent column, but you know that the name cannot be used as a classifier data dependent. You can use a customer segment, you can use a product category. Okay, so I am using the product category and rush data I am not using. Can use a chip mode also. The same thing you have to do here also. Okay. Now you have to apply the SVM algorithm. Yes, yes. In the independent column, you cannot take any nominal value. All values must be numerical. If you want to use, you have to convert the nominal values into a numerical data. And after that, you can use. You can use this, the pre-processing, to convert that value. Continuous discrete variable, where you can treat as ordinal. not as categorizing. But in that case, it takes all the columns as ordinal. Okay. Now here you can see that the accuracy is only 66.2%. But your target is to achieve this, means reach this accuracy to 98%. And for that, you have to do the error and trial. You have to do the error and trial in the pre-processing, error and trial in the sampling, error and trial in the selecting column. You can do anything.